Witches. What comes to mind when you think of that word? A deformed green face with a big nose? That's what we keep hearing when we tell our children stories and fairy tales. But in reality, they don't look like that at all. They look like you or me, and it could be a woman or man, for which could be the best to describe any practitioner today. But there are many characteristics that distinguish what type of witch they are. And today we are going to talk about the static witch. Static witches are very powerful in their own right. They can control the energy around them. This is noticeable mostly when they are upset or mad. When this happens, the lights turn off or on, or the electronics seem to go haywire until the static witch calms down. And it's not just where they are standing. The range can be up to 25 feet away. Because they can control energy around them, they can also sense a person's aura as well. This psychic sensitivity can also connect themselves to what a person's feeling or thinking at times. So when around others, they may cry uncontrollably or bust out laughing from the emotional buildup that's around them. So if you know a person that's like this, they may be a static witch, especially if they haven't yet mastered controlling their energy output yet. If you do happen to know one, or there is one in your family, consider yourself very lucky, because they see you and sense who you truly are.